Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be telling you all about Microsoft Rewards and 2 hacks that'll help you get points quicker. So Microsoft Rewards is a website that you can use to earn points, which you can redeem for prizes such as donations to charity, gift cards, and sweepstake entries. So you can make points in Microsoft Rewards just by clicking websites, which will automatically give you 10 points. And by actually answering questions, which will give you more points. Since here you get to answer questions and just clicking a website, you get more points that you can get. Also, another way you can get points in Microsoft Rewards is by searching on using Bing. So each day you can get 150 points using Bing. 20 points by using Edge, and 100 points by using phone on level 2. If you're on level phone, you can only get 20 points a day for Bing and 5 points a day for Edge. And you can get a level 2 by earning 500 points a month. So now I'll be telling you a hack that you can use to autocomplete quizzes like this. So you can get the points instantly instead of actually trying to find the right answer for the questions. So the first step is to go to the link in the description of my video. Second step is to click on this little arrow and download it as a zip file. Just wait for the zip to download. After it's done, open the file and extract all the contents since it's a zip file. Extract. Okay, it has been extracted. Now, this works for Chrome and Edge. So now what you want to do, wait, let me just close this, is go to the Manage Extensions page for Edge or Chrome. This works for both. And make sure the developer mode is on. Make sure this is on. Then click Load Unpacked. And then choose your file. So when you find your file, ABS, you have to click on the file. Click on it and the folder, and you have to click on the folder that's just called ABS without the numbers after it. So click on this, select folder, and the file will be uploaded. The reason we had to do this is because it was delisted from the Chrome Web Store and the Edge Web Store, so we had to download it now. So here it is. This is our extension. So now you can autocomplete a quiz. So you click on the quiz and it'll autocomplete it. As you can see, it's autocompleting the questions without me doing it. So it'll give you these 30 points after it's done with all 3 questions. It's autocompleting the quiz with all the right answers. Wait, let me just reload the page. It lagged. Okay, yep, that's good. Next question. There, we got 30 points. So that's good. This works for all quizzes and true or false questions on Microsoft Rewards, so it's a really cool hack. Another thing you can do with this is actually get points for searches. These points, like automated searches. So on level 2, you can get 30 search. Each search gives you 5 points, by the way. So you can put in this number of searches that you want. Level 2, there are 30 desktop searches. It's really cool how I can replicate mobile searches as well on a desktop. So 25 mobile searches. So each gives 5 points. And actually we had 4 more for the Edge bonus as well. And then after you put in your values, you can just do start searches, and it automatically searches random things. As you can see, it's slowly adding the points as it goes. Okay, 25 desktop. You can just skip this part of the video since all that's happening here is ABS automatically searching stuff. Okay, our searches are done. We can now check if all the points have been added. As you can see, all the points are full, which means that the extension has indeed worked. I don't know if it's just me, but I think it's really cool that the extension can replicate mobile searches really well. So now that all the points are added, we're done with our ABS extension. So as we can see here, we finished all the activities here, so we can now get more points now. But there's another hack that you can do to increase the amount of points you can get a day. So first step is to search up Hux VPN, and whatever Chrome Web Store or Edge Web Store, depending on which browser you're using, it works for both. So Edge extension. So I'll click on the first link and just get the Hux VPN. You can use any VPN, honestly, but this is a free VPN, so it's really good. Okay, Hux has been added. So first step is to either create an account or just log in. So I'll just log in. Okay, I log in. Now you can choose any country you want. You can just go through the list of countries to see which countries work. I know that Australia works, so I'll just use it as an example. So just click on Australia, and once it connects, just reload the page. So as you can see, the activities are different now. So now you can do more activities and earn more points. So yeah, so we can just do all of these, and we can again use ABS to automate all these quizzes. Yep, it works. Okay, so we just added 30 more points. And not only that, you don't only can do all these activities, you can also again do the searches, because now you can make more searches since they think you're in a different country. So you can do more searches now, and you can just use ABS. That's what the extension is called, to do those searches. So anyway, that's all. Those are the two hacks that I use to make the most out of Microsoft Rewards. I hope you loved this video and found it helpful. And please make sure to subscribe if you love my content.